Today we're talking about fashion faux pas or stupid rules about fashion. That's it. Hey, thanks for coming back. Today I thought we would have a little bit of a let's chat. I haven't had one of these for a while. I think it was January, so I thought it was time to sit down with some coffee and have a chat. So, man, that tastes good. I have recently been looking around and seeing different trends that, I don't know, maybe when I was a kid, I wouldn't have seen because, you know, we have all those rules like don't wear white shoes after Labor Day and you can't wear white until Easter, until after Easter. Yeah, no, it's Easter. And different ones like that. So I was doing some research and I even talked to Amanda and to see if there were any like ones over in the UK that like maybe we haven't heard of here in the States, you know, just to kind of see if there's anything different. And then my daughter was helping me look some up and she's like, some of these are really stupid, Mom. And I'm like, well, yeah. Though some of them are smart, like scale on a print matters. So you don't want to wear, you know, if you're a bigger person, a plus size person, you don't want to wear like a teeny tiny print. You know, you have more real estate to play with, I guess. I don't know how to say that nicely, but you have more of an area so you can go with a bolder, larger print. Let's say that. So some of the crazy ones that I can remember, that I can remember from being a kid was heavy girls are not allowed to wear stripes. You do not wear stripes if you're a big girl. Doesn't matter which direction the stripe's going. No. It's a no, because it only makes you look bigger. Another one was tall girls can't wear heels. If a girl is 6 foot tall, she shouldn't be wearing heels. And we all know a famous couple that kind of, well, they're not a couple anymore, but they were, Nicole Kidman and Tom Cruise. He didn't like her because her wearing heels because he's so short and she's already so tall. So when she wore heels, it made it even more pronounced, you know. So yeah, but whatever. How dumb is that? Anyway, oh, Amanda came up with reminded me of one. Redheads can't wear red. That's not true. I've also heard that redheads can't wear pink, depending on the tone of your hair. Like if you have, I can't talk today. If you have more of, say, of an orange instead of an auburn kind of lean, you shouldn't wear pink. Whatever. And actually, I have seen people comment on other vloggers, vlogs or blogs or photos like, hey, you shouldn't be wearing that because you're redhead. It clashes. Whatever. Let's see. Oh, big girls shouldn't wear bodycon style dresses and skirts and things like that. Again, with these rules, it's crazy, isn't it? Let's see. Oh, brown and black, you can't wear those together. We were always told that if you were like a really tiny girl, like a bony, you know, really super skinny girl, you don't wear tight clothes because it just accentuates that. And like you didn't wear skirts above the knees because everybody would see your knobby knees and that was unattractive. Oh, I just want to drink my coffee. It's so good. Let's see. Short women can't wear long dresses. I still tend to shy away from long dresses because of that. And like midi, you know, midi length, it has to be above the knee or like right at the knee. You can't do anything longer than that. And that's still like ingrained in my brain. Oh, Amanda also said that no double denim. So you can't have like a jean jacket on with jeans or a jean jacket and skirt. What? It's crazy, right? So yeah, those are just some of the ones I found talking with Amanda and my daughter and I doing some research on the old Google. So I just thought it was kind of interesting. And I think this is kind of coming more to my thought process as I lose weight, and I'm seeing that, I'm feeling better and I'm having confidence to try other things on, because I'm wearing a pencil skirt today, the BB skirt from Tilly and the Buttons' new book. And I'm 43, never in my life even tried a pencil skirt on, because I was always told that chubby girls don't wear pencil skirts. So I never tried. Even when I was thinner and I wasn't chubby, I never even tried, just because in my head, I guess that's the headspace that I was occupying. I was a chubby girl, so I didn't go there. And so as I'm becoming a little bit bolder and exploring different styles and silhouettes that I would not have normally ever chosen, some of these rules, I mean, I can hear them like in my head, oh, Vivian, you can't wear stripes. Your boobs are too big. You have a belly. You can't wear stripes. And I just thought, like, how many times has that stopped us from wearing what we want to wear? Who says that like, seriously, there's no authority. If you want to wear stripes and you're a big curvy girl, you rock those stripes, honey. If I want to wear a bodycon dress and my C-section belly kind of is a little bit out there, then that's my business. I think that if you put something on and you feel good about yourself, because let's face it, we already have, a million issues with that. But if you feel good about yourself and what you're wearing and you think you look good, then go for it. I mean, there's still some things that I wouldn't do, just because that's just me. Like, my mini skirt days, if there were ever any, are long gone. I got a little, legs going on there, and I'm not comfortable with wearing a mini skirt, or the Vogue dress that was crazy last year. The one that goes all the way down here. I would never wear something like that, because I would not be comfortable feeling so exposed. Now I have seen other women wear it, and I have seen bigger chested women wear it, and they just sew it up, which is a cool idea. But I mean, I don't know. I guess I just wouldn't even go there. But I guess kind of where I'm going with that is that, like, society puts these rules or stipulations on us, and then they kind of get ingrained in our brains. And so as we go through our own lives with whatever kind of body image issues that we may or may not have, because you might not have any, and good for you. But that, I think, affects the way that we will let ourselves dress, and the way that we will, be adventurous and try something. I would never have worn a pencil skirt, but I made it last week and I put it on and I felt great. And I still have a big old booty. That's never going to go away. And, I have my little belly from having a C-section and being overweight. That's, not going to go away completely 100% unless I have surgery. And I'd rather spend that money somewhere else. So I don't know. I was thinking about that today. And so I thought that I would sit with you guys and see what you think. So down in the comments below, let me know of a fashion faux pas or a fashion rule that is kind of out there and you think is really just crazy. I'm just kind of interested to see, especially from the different areas of the world, if they're like all kind of similar, or if they're different. like if different areas have different rules. I'm just curious. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and we'll see you later. Bye.